What's up, y'all? It's your KDiani here, and I am back working with UNICE hair. They sent me this kinky straight 24-inch 13x4 transparent wig. Let's get into it. Y'all see the lace, very transparent. Y'all see coda. But anyways, let's hop straight into it. So y'all already know I already did my ball cap. And if y'all new to my channel, make sure y'all go ahead and smash that subscribe button and hit that like button because y'all gonna like this video. Now for this wig, I did not bleach the knots. All I did was pluck it a little bit and added some powder foundation on the inside. We're gonna keep this real simple, okay? And get into it. Like, it looks very natural. It's giving my hair, it's giving maybe Cardi. But I love the fullness of this hair. Like, it just looks so full. And as you guys see in the intro, the hair holds a bomb curl, okay? But let's get into the next step. So y'all already know me, I'm turning into one of those glueless wig girlies. I'm not really feeling the glue, so we're gonna go in with my favorite, the Even spray. I believe this is the extreme hold, and I'm just going to spray it onto my hair, but I forgot I can't see, so I had to grab a mirror. And I'm going to just spray one layer on top of the lace, and then I'm going to hold it down with the elastic band. Once you got the elastic band on, now it's time to move on to the most important step. If you're skipping this step, I really don't know what to tell you, so go ahead and pull out your hot combs, and we're gonna go ahead and just smoothen out the roots of the wig, because we don't want it to be super duper puffy at the root for this style. We want the rest of the hair to keep its texture and its volume. So let's get into a little hot comb action because it looks so clean. Alright, after that little sing-along break, let's get into taking off this elastic band. These bands be hurting my head, like it be throbbing and everything, but get into it, it looks like it's giving scalp. And once again, your girl can't see, so I had to stop the clip and go ahead and grab me some glasses. Don't blame my eyes got a problem. This is just what I gotta do. So right here, I done cut the lace. I'm pointing right there because I did have to use a little bit of glue just to hold the sides down. Y'all know how complicated it can be to get the sides to lay down. Alright, so let's get into styling. We're going to comb this hair out, and I want to show you guys how much the hair sheds after you comb it out. Boom, not a lot. That should be enough right there to tell y'all to go get this wig, okay? Because it's giving natural. So the hairstyle that we're going to be doing is a half up, half down. So make sure y'all go ahead and split your hair in half, like how I'm doing, ear to ear, and put it into a ponytail. We're not going to be using no gel or jam. We're going to be using the infamous Got To Be spray, the yellow can, and you're just going to spray that down just like that, and you're going to get a hard bristle brush so that you can slick that hair down. I mean, slick it down. Alright, so in this clip, actually that part was really bothering me right there, but I did not feel like fixing it. But in this clip, you're going to see me wrap it with another piece of hair at the base. But in the next few clips, you're going to see that was taken right out because I was not feeling it. But for styling, we're going to use this very thin wand curl. The link is going to be down in the description, and we're going to put it at its highest heat, 425, and we're going to just wrap it around the little rod, and we're gonna get a cute little curl. So stay watching so that you can see what this wand can do. So I let the hair sit on the rod for like 5 to 10 seconds. The longer the better the curl. So here's a little curl reveal. Like, look how coily that is. Like that just, it's giving. So I'm going to continue and do the same step across the whole wig. Y'all can't tell me this wand curl ain't doing what the wand is supposed to be doing. Link down in the description, period. Now let's get into this ponytail and do the same thing. So once I finish with each section, I do go in with the even spray and just spray it just so that I can hold the curls in place. Like look how good and juicy these look. So then I'm going to go ahead and separate each curl one by one, just like that, as y'all can see. And that's gonna be that. And then let's tune in to the final results. Alright y'all, so that about wraps up this video. Shout out to UNICE Hair for sending me this beautiful hair. I absolutely love it. Y'all see the curls, y'all see it holds a good curl, okay? Today is Valentine's Day, but when y'all see this video, it's not gonna be Valentine's Day. But make sure y'all pour into yourself, show love into yourself, make sure y'all looking good. Like make the effort to look good and feel good, okay? Period. But I absolutely love it. It looks super duper cute. So all the hair information is down in the description box. Make sure you guys comment down below how y'all feel about this look. So one more time, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, don't forget to share, don't forget to subscribe, and most of all, don't forget to turn on your post notification bell so that you're notified when your girl uploads a new video. And until next time, peace.